week, I want you to learn A major five-finger pattern. Find A, and A major has the same shape of D major five-finger pattern. I am going to put metronome on at 60. We are going to practice in a sequence. Move to D. Move to G. Now we are going to transpose Hakrospans. Remember the first three notes of five-finger pattern. Those three notes. Hakrospan use those three notes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Make sure to practice the rest of the keys so that you don't forget D major, G major, and C major. Also, don't forget to practice left hand.